Hello, and welcome to a simple demonstration of using the letting zone system to carry out a property inspection. The demonstration we're going to look at today is how we add an inspection date to the letting zone system, carry out the inspection offline using a phone or tablet, including photographs and taking details, and then uploading that to the letting zone to automatically create the inspection report for us. So the first step of the process is via the letting zone is to log in with the username and password. And then on the Properties tab, we have a demonstration property added to the system already. Adding a new property is straightforward via the Add a Property tab, just simply adding some basic address information. But for the property that we've added already, we're going to set up a demonstration inspection date using the Inspections tab, and adding a date is fairly straightforward. Simply clicking on the link and then selecting a date in the calendar. And choose the next date and then save. We then have an inspection for this property registered in the system. Here we have the inspection report ready to receive the information that we're going to carry out during the inspection. As you can see, it's blank at the moment. And this is the information that we're going to complete and populate the report with when we carry out the inspection offline on the phone or tablet. So once that system information is set up, the next step is via a mobile device. If we do the same thing and log into the letting zone, and the first step via the Inspections tab, what we need to do is import that inspection address and that inspection date onto the phone table, onto the phone database, so we can carry out the inspection offline. So we're simply clicking on the import link. We've now imported the information into the phone. We can then take the phone offline, for example via going into airplane mode. And then via the edit icon, we can then carry out the inspection on the property. So for example, we have one area set up already, which is the internal external area. We can, via the add room tab, add, for example, the hall. And we can add as many rooms or areas as we wish. So once we've added a few rooms or an area, we can then carry out the inspection. So clicking on the hall tab, for example, we can see that we can take some notes. Click some buttons to simply carry out the report. And then we're also able to add a number of photographs for each room via the Add Photograph tab. We can either choose something from the library or take a new photograph. We take a screenshot. And we use the photo, and we can add multiple photographs. Take a second photograph and use that photo. We can then save the details and then continue to carry out the inspection for the property. On the main inspection screen, at the bottom there's some further information, for example, evidence of subletting, evidence of pets. And we can carry out our inspection. And equally, on the main inspection page, we can take a main photo for the property. And once we have carried out the inspection, the next step is to simply, back in the office, put the phone or tablet back online to connect to the internet. And then export the information to the letting zone. The process is now being carried out of uploading the information, the inspection details and the photographs to our letting zone inspection report. We then go back to the letting zone system and now look at our inspection report. Here we can see the inspection photographs, the inspection details and information of the rooms that we carried out, our multiple photographs, and the information that we provided has been uploaded from the tablet, which we carried out offline, onto the inspection zone system, and hopefully as painlessly